so have you heard? We are doing an Earth Day giveaway on April 22nd of the I Love the Earth Todd Parr book. This book is such a gem. If you haven't read it, no worries. Take a look at it above. I have a read aloud already posted on the channel. But Earth Day's coming, and this book has so many cool things. It shows young children ways that they can take care of the earth, and it has some really cool practical strategies that you can do right now in your home or your school classroom. You can recycle. You can create your own recycling bins in your home or your school classroom. Turning off the lights, saving leftovers, sharing a book, planting a tree, using both sides of the paper. It has 10 strategies. This is such a gem the young children can start doing right now in their homes and in their classrooms. So to make sure that you get this gem or have a chance of getting this gem in your library, all you have to do is sign up for the Brown Bear Book Club. The Brown Bear Book Club is a club that offers resources to parents, teachers, educators, anybody in the early childhood field. It is totally free. Click on the link below, and I hope that you win the book, and I can't wait to connect with you. So let me know in the chat, what are you doing for Earth Day? Are you doing anything special in your home? Are you doing anything in your classroom or in your community? Yeah, and is Earth Day like every day for you? Do you have strategies that you're doing all the time? So let's talk about it in the chat below, and I'll see you next Thursday at our giveaway, and make sure you read the details below for any more information. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.